I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Mark's Cannoli again. Yes, another delivery from Mark's Cannoli, because if ever you have been closely following me, I've mentioned that they are one of the best finds during the quarantine. What I am having here right now are my personal favorites, the almond and the pistachio. But instead of having the classic flavor, they are now on chocolate. And of course, my very favorite, the classic choco chip cannoli. And the main reason why I'm having another delivery from Mark's Cannoli, because they are introducing their new flavors. Their new flavors now are lemon, coffee, Java chip, Rocky Road, and I think I have a new favorite now, s'mores. I really don't know, basta s'mores na gali from gelato, ice cream, cookie, unsa ba, basta s'mores, favorite na gyud dayon na nako. And I am so happy their pricing is still the same. For the classic, you can have 49 pesos each, and for the premium, 65 pesos each. Or for a box of 3, 145 for the classic, and 195 for the premium. But now, you can have a box of 5, which is assorted. For 290 pesos, you can have 2 classic and 3 premium flavors. And lastly, nanasad sila box of 10, which is 580 pesos only. You will be having 1 flavor of each. To order, you may just message the official social media accounts of Mark's Cannoli. And I am so happy this time I received it fresh, so warm pa kay siya og init-init na ko siyang kanon. For that, mga ona dayon ta guys, if you have noticed before, ni-suggest ko nga dapat ang almonds na ay chocolate nga variant, and on which pwede ra gyud di ay mo request lang ka. And happy na gyud dayon kay ko kinatuman siya. And now I am having my very favorite, the choco chip. And classic flavored cannoli plus chocolates. Perfect. And now let's have the pistachio. Same as with the almond, I suggested nga sana naasal sila chocolate variant ani. So actually guys, pwede ra sa juday. You just have to request kung unsay gusto ninyo nga feeling sa inyong cannoli. And with the bugnaw nga weather karon, perfect kaayo nga warm ang cannoli. And now let's try the new flavors. Unsa kay mayong unahon nako ani ha. Well, I'll try the coffee first. Me personally, I really don't like coffee flavored nga mga desserts, kay I want my coffee always black. So if ever time is siya, di kay kumalingaw. But this one is really perfect. Nagyapon ang bittery taste or ang pagkapait-pait sa coffee, which is so perfect for a cannoli. And as again guys, mas lamig yun siya kung init. And now I am trying the lemon. Oh, lami siya. Lami siya, it is not really sweet, na pagka-citrusy nga. This would be perfect for a tea, as in, the tea to in me would be loving this lemon flavor. And now, I'll be trying the Rocky Road. Ang Rocky Road, guys, ang atong gigamit ani would be the chocolate ricotta cheese, and a chocolate chips, and mini marshmallow pa yun, and lastly, naa siya walnuts. And this one now is the Java chip. So, coffee ang feeling, then naa siya chocolate chip. So, perfect yun siya if ever you're a coffee plus a chocolate lover person. Perfect, and this will be your favorite flavor. And lastly, ang ako yung gihuwat, the s'mores. In other words, s'mores man siya. So, na dark chocolate, then na ay graham, nya chocolate ricotta cheese feeling pag yun, and roasted marshmallow. Lami jud kay siya guys. I think this one I would really love this warm or cold. Lamian jud ko ani niya. So right now my favorite flavor would be the s'mores and the classic chocolate chip na. When I was planning to eat half lang sa ani tanan, kay basig daghan kay makaon, pero kani siya kanang murag mahurot na gyud dayon nako, pakapihan sa nako para mahurot gyud dayon nako. Bitaw guys, oy, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me on all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye.